So this is for question 3 on the examples for Charles Law. So we've got V1 equals 0.9 litres, T1, first temperature, is 27 degrees C. Right, as soon as you go in 27 degrees C, you've got to get that into Kelvin. So 27 plus 273 gives us 300 Kelvin. Afterwards, V2 is what we're trying to find. So we don't know what V2 is. What we do know is T2 is given as 132 degrees C. Add 273 to that and you get 405 Kelvin. So we've now got everything that we need with the units the way that they should be. Let's just go through. So we're using V1 and V2. So it's V1 over T1 equals V2 over T2. Notice how I've set them out in the what's the beginning and what's the final there. So it's just a case of putting them in on the right side now, which is why it's good to keep them on each side. 0.9 over 300 equals V2 over 405. And that's what we're trying to find, V2. So we need to get V2 on its own on the top. That's the key thing in rearranging these equations. The unknown must be on its own on the top. Easy way to do that is to multiply both sides by 405. So you've done this in maths, you multiply both sides by the same number, and when you do that over here, 405's cancel, and so you're left with V2 equals that lot there. The other thing you can do, and your math teacher may have done this with you, where you talk about cross multiplication. Anything from the bottom on one side goes to the top on the other, anything from the top goes to the bottom on the other side, hence cross multiplication. So if you're used to cross multiplying, use it here because it's ideal. So V2 is 0.9 times 405 over 300, which gives an answer of 1.215, so we'll round that to 1.22 litres.